That was a bit of an underwhelming response to the last one, but I guess it's pretty niche, isn't it? Thumbnail wasn't very good. Friday 10 AM. Anyway, let's just carry on doing exactly the same thing because it's what I enjoy. It's where we kind of finished last time. So the rust is off. I put some ACF 50 on these bits so it won't continue rusting. A nice amount of what it was like when I got it, but without the rust. And I'm just gonna get some like wet and dry or something and a metal block first of all and clean up these machine surfaces. So where this goes into this guy, like this, still just a little bit tight there. That's got a bit of a clobbering at some point because it's been sticking out the end. Someone's been hammering on it and it's just made it not fit, you know. So we want to try and sort this guy out, don't we? Just there, I reckon. That's where it's getting scuffed. You'll have to excuse me because I'm still kind of in a place where I don't know where anything is. I'm going to have to use these V-blocks to sand it with. The more and right as well. Almost seems a shame. I'm going to wire wheel these and then I'll prime them and paint them because they're all inside and they were black originally. And then I can just assemble the vise, can't I? Happy days. I like this, it's going alright. So I got these off because I wanted to give them a real good clean. They're actually in pretty good nick. Doesn't matter that they're not too knurled, because it just ruins everything when you put it in a vise anyway. So I'm giving them a clean so it's nice and shiny. But first of all, I think finally we can start reassembling this little chap. How's about that? What are you doing? Are you covered in metal, mate? Why didn't I paint it? Because it's a nice old vise. It's still got its old bits of paint somewhere, and the machine surfaces aren't great. So when you paint a vise and the machine surfaces are hammered, it's going to look stupid, isn't it? So it's lovely. I like it. It's my vise. It's not yours. Here we go. So this might be, I reckon it's about 80 years old maybe. So it's got another 80 years in it. I got some bolts off some bloke on eBay and they're absolute rubbish. So I don't know what you'd do if you got these tapered ones, but I can't recommend getting them. He hasn't quite got the threads right, so the pitch is a bit tall on them, and then he's just made them out of mild steel. So they're used. Loads of stuff has appeared. I had to get the last stuff out of the unit, so I need to kind of tidy this away. The sandblaster's here, the compressor's working, so I think the next one I've got a Mr. Leask sump that I have to do for someone, so I might video that. I'm supposed to do it this year, so I'll try and video that, and then afterwards, hopefully next year there's some. He's loud, isn't he? He's loud. And then hopefully next year there's going to be some pretty exciting stuff on the Skyline. I'm going to be selling some bits off it. IKEA Formula suspension arms, Nitron front shocks, maybe a couple of other bits. Keep an eye out on my Instagram, and I might put a post up on a story of how much I want for them once they're off. The next one will be a Tiggy, Sumpy, Skyline-y vibe. So hopefully more than the 10 people that watched the first Vice video can enjoy the Sump video. Everyone likes fabrication, don't they? That's what they like. Do subscribe. Please subscribe. Like. I like that dislike isn't on videos anymore. Maybe it's just on my thing, but disliking's a bit mean, isn't it?